Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can activate or configure voice activation permission on a Windows 11 system. So if you use Windows 11, there are some permission that by default is on, but you can choose is you want to give permission or not. So in order to set up, configure that, you can go to the settings, click start icon, go to the settings, scroll down and choose the privacy and security. You can scroll down under application permissions. There is a voice activation option. You can click it, and here we go. Choose your privacy settings for your voice activation. If microphone access is turned off, this settings will be unavailable. So make sure you have a microphone on your hardware. If you use laptop, there's a built-in microphone, and if you use desktop, you have to plug in microphone on it. And after you turn on microphone, install the device, this will be default. Apps access voice activation services is by default is on, but if you turn it off, you cannot use this voice activation. So the voice activation usually you use for a Cortana. Make sure you activate your Cortana or any device that need voice activation, or any software that need voice activation. So make sure this is on if you use voice activation app. So if this device is locked, anyone can activate an app by speaking its voice keyword when this is on. So here, this is last use, Cortana. Unfortunately, I do not use this Cortana. I just manually activate my or control my system. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click this button below. See you in the next video.